Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set up your WordPress website on Localhost Xampp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So go ahead and log in, create an account if you do not already have one, log in, and after successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page of your website where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can use for managing your website such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we can do to go ahead and install Localhost Xampp WordPress website. Basically, what we're looking for guys is to export our website. So you can do the following. First, you want to go into the tools section right here, the left side screen, and go to the export button. By clicking the export button, it's going to export everything we have, such as pages, posts, and so on, to a zip file that we will be able to later to use for our database. After that, you want to go to wordpress.org/download to go to the download page of WordPress to download WordPress for yourself, where you can use it for your own hosting and domain. So once you have gotten your WordPress guys and your database, you can open up Xampp. So once you have installed the Xampp control panel, it's going to look like this. You'll have Apache, MySQL, and so on, which you can get started with running your databases and using the configuration right here to go ahead and install WordPress. So this is where you can get started. This is just the beginning. If you need any more detailed help, you can go ahead and ask some staff at WordPress and so on to get yourself started, but this is everything you're going to need. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.